In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin member from a workspace in Clickup. Whether you're managing a team or simply reorganizing your workspace, understanding how to adjust user roles is crucial. Let's jump right in and make this task as seamless as possible for you. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Clickup is known as the everything app for work, and it's widely used for streamlining project management and team collaboration. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page, where you'll be given several options to access your account. Most people today prefer quick login methods, and ClickUp supports that with its Google sign-in feature. This saves time and ensures you don't have to remember yet another password. Click on sign in with Google, and if prompted, select your Google account from the list of available accounts. If you're already logged into Google, your ClickUp account should spring to life with minimal effort. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to identifying the user you want to remove. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find an icon or avatar representing your profile. Click on this profile icon and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Manage Users. This section is your gateway to overseeing all the users who have access to your workspace, providing a comprehensive overview of all your team members. With the list of users in front of you, identify the admin member you wish to remove. Beside each user's name, you'll see a series of 3 dots, often referred to as the Options menu. Click on these 3 dots next to the user you intend to manage. This will present you with the actions you can take for that specific user. Among the options, you'll find the Remove button. Click on it. Don't worry too much if you have second thoughts later, as user removals are typically confirmed by ClickUp, allowing you a chance to rethink or confirm your action. Once you confirm the removal, that person will no longer have access to your ClickUp workspace. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to remove an admin member from your Clickup workspace. Remember, managing users effectively not only secures your workspace, but also ensures that your team operates smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Clickup tips and tricks.